What I wish I knew at 13 instead of 18. Menstruation isn't just about periods, it's a whole cycle that affects your body in many ways. The menstruation cycle is more than just the days you have your period. It's a monthly process that prepares the body for pregnancy. Day 1 marks the start of your period, which lasts about 3 to 7 days. During this time, the body sheds the uterine lining, causing bleeding. Next comes the follicular phase, where your body gets ready to release an egg. Around day 14, ovulation occurs, and an egg is released from the ovary. If not fertilized, the egg disintegrates, leading to the luteal phase, where your body prepares to start the cycle over again. For those around someone experiencing their cycle, be kind and considerate. Offer support, understanding, and maybe even some chocolate. Remember, everyone's cycle is different. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing videos. Drop any questions you have in the comments below.